Kawai kathai samla kaba nakasnang pramer bari diwari boy district kalala wanwara nam warkaburom omtang ya jela hendai ya kari India hi borok kawai hari maglayo khor takama ha kawai kalumpong ya peni dohksah kablang step manlong madangshen ha Bharat mandapam New Delhi kini ke samla ke belatip kerteng kem ke Anita Saukmi lai posnem ke kerta kadi ke khon jingkong Lucy Saukmi ke belayo benlek jakun ha kini kelumpong ke bahe hadi makaladap menyasi mentah ha ke national level Wat kadeiru ke bedang syuyo ya kanam overall Miss Assam hanong ba Assam. Wat kadeiru ke bedang syuyo ya kanam overall Miss Assam hajla Assam. Bergelas ajit benlek jakun pat ha ke International Health and Fitness Festival IHFF ke balap pelong deka KSM 66 Ashwagandha World Best Ashwagandha ha ke ba napring jengki belalai ben syimenta ne India di tamaka kanong India ke belayok ban Korea kata kemarnong haga kelas A kategori. Kini ke samla ke bapas tang ya ke kelas 10 na kidis corner Shillong kedai ke baju it ba ya ke kam yelek ka na dudang rit bar haga jingkwa jengka kala jet ban sedang ya ke company dohksah. Par kelas dang ban wat ikilat klinti ban penwandur ya kamet. Hadian ke jing persang jengka kala ikendu yo no hikai bana Mumbai baju hikai ya ka na dong sedong limba ke online. Par ke belabut baik top kat kem ke jing batai jengu. Bat ke ju penwandur ya ladi haka Guardian Gym ke badon hakendai mer bari dua bat menta ka sngau kmen bagajing tresh tom jengka kelayo ban khet yu so ubatyang
Anita B. Saukme from Meghalaya, 8 Mile Baridua Riboy District. I am a IFBB pro athlete and recently I have represented India and also I have brought a third rank for India and for my state Meghalaya. I am fond of sports from my childhood. I have been representing my school. I have been a sprinter. I also played karate. First my journey I started my fitness sports from CrossFit. I love sports a lot because it really keeps me healthy, not just my physical but mentally I'm very healthy and also it gives me a lot of confidence. I feel that when there is no sports in my life, I feel useless because there's nothing without sports. My mother is the only supporter. My mother has supported me since day one. Whatever I wanted to do, she supports me and also she sees me that I really truly work hard genuinely. That's what my goal is very straight. I have only one goal and that's represent India in Olympia, my state's Meghalaya. So that's what she sees that motivation in me. So that's what she supports me blindly. No, there are no support at all from government or from any other. There's nothing support since day one. It's just I have represented many states in nationals. There is no sponsors, nothing. Sponsor is my mother. It's just my mother. That. Of course, I do feel very great, and of course, I feel very proud of myself because I have a plan, straight plan on my head that this year I'm gonna compete all my nationals, and then the very next year I'm gonna compete on my international, and the plans are going all according to me, and that's really, I also don't believe that I have pushed myself along. I have been upgrading myself every year, so that's why I'm just proud of myself so much. My discipline is top notch actually. Bodybuilder's lifestyle, it's a very lonely, very strict lifestyle. We do not need any distractions. Diet, we need to focus from the bed, from the early morning we wake up till at night I sleep. I have everything I'm doing according to my time, my routine. So the bodybuilding routine is a very strict routine. If you are distracted from your outer space, then that's not how it is. So the diet of bodybuilding is just the same. The whole year, not just 6 months, not just 4 months, but the whole year for 2-3 years, we gotta prepare and we gotta stick with the same diet, and that's a boil. If you're capable of having boiled foods, then you can have it. Otherwise, you can also put some spices and all. But I prefer eating boiled, and I thought it's not sustainable in the beginning, but it's sustainable. If you're really into your goal, nothing can stop you. The rest, I take 8 to 9 hours nap. It's important. Bodybuilding, it's not just about working out, training yourself, but also giving your body rest is the most important thing. Sleeping has to be proper, meals has to be proper, and also your training has to be proper. My trainer is Harry Sandhu. He's from other state. He's not from my state. He just gave me online. He prepared everything online and he gave it to me. That's how I train myself, and I train in just near my home. There is a gym, and the name of the gym is Guardian Gym. It's just in no mile, so there I go. First of all, there is saying that girls are really afraid of doing gym because they think that once they lift weights, their body is gonna turn like a man, like a male, and it's literally a myth, I'm gonna tell you. So please, girls, focus. You need to focus on your health. That's because I'm motivated, because I focus on my health. That is very important. If you're healthy, that means you are wealthy. And also I want to say that woman is not just staying home in kitchen and then working, washing laundries or doing anything. It's not like that. Woman, you need to know that you are strong enough. You are independent enough. So be independent and don't think you're weak. And what else should I say? And whatever your dream is, please keep following. Do not doubt yourself. Keep pushing. Once you keep pushing, once you see yourself transforming, but try. Then you will know that once you get the results, it's going to be amazing. It's not just going to improve your health, physical health, but also it's going to improve your confidence. It's going to build a lot of confidence. So please go. You don't need to do a bodybuilding. You don't need to follow a strict diet, but at least just go. At least once, 4 days a week, go train yourself, give yourself a healthy meals, give yourself a nap, perfect nap. That's how it is.